Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a student in Nigeria and looking for ways to make money without affecting your studies, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing 20 profitable business ideas you can start with little or no capital. Some of these ideas require skills while others just need creativity and consistency. Let's dive right in. Digital services. 1. Graphic design. Use free apps like Canva or learn Photoshop to design flyers, logos, and social media posts. Promote your services on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Twitter. 2. Social media management. Many businesses don't have time to run their social media pages. Learn content creation, post scheduling, and engagement strategies, then offer your services to brands. 3. Freelance writing. If you love writing, you can make money writing blog posts, articles, or assignments. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or offer your services to students and businesses. 4. Video editing. With platforms like YouTube and TikTok growing, content creators need video editors. Start by learning CapCut, VN Editor, or Adobe Premiere Pro and offer your services. Food and drinks business. 5. Small chops and snacks. Make puff-puff, samosa, chin-chin or buns and sell them around campus. Package them nicely and use social media to attract more buyers. 6. Homemade smoothies and zobo. Invest in a blender and start making zobo, smoothies or tiger nut milk. Package them in bottles and sell them to students looking for healthy drinks. 7. Cooking for busy students. Offer affordable meal prep services for students who don't have time to cook. You can take orders and cook in bulk. Fashion and beauty. 8. Thrift Okrika business. Buy second-hand clothes at affordable prices. Wash and resell them for profit. Use Instagram and WhatsApp to showcase your items. 9. Makeup and gele tying. Learn makeup, artistry, and gele tying through YouTube or training. Start by offering services for friends and family, then expand. 10. Hair braiding and wig making. Many students need hairstylists. Learn how to braid or make wigs and start making clients. Tech and online businesses. 11. Mini importation. Buy cheap products like phone accessories, bags, or shoes and resell them for profit. 12. Drop shipping. You don't need to hold your stock. Simply list products from suppliers on your page. Get orders and the supplier ships directly to the customer. 13. Print on demand. Design custom t-shirts, mugs and phone cases using Printify or Teespring and sell online. 14. Phone and laptop repairs. If you are a tech savvy, learn basic repairs from YouTube or an expert. Start with screen replacement, charging ports, and software updates. Educational services. 15. Tutoring. Offer to teach JAMB, WAEC, post-UTME or even university courses. You can charge per hour or create a study group. 16. Exam prep assistance. Many students struggle with writing essays or studying. Offer help by summarizing notes, creating study guides, or coaching them. 17. Handwritten note-taking. Rewrite class notes neatly for students who need them, especially in courses with complex diagrams. Offer PDF versions for a digital option. 18. Online courses and ebooks. Sell digital courses or ebooks based on what you know. Write about a topic you are good at and sell through WhatsApp, Amazon Kindle, or Seller. Miscellaneous business ideas. 19. Laundry services. Many students are too busy or lazy to do laundry. This is where you come in. Offer washing and ironing services at affordable rates. 20. Photography and event coverage. People need professional pictures for birthdays, matriculations, and graduations. Get a good smartphone or camera and offer budget-friendly photography packages. 21. Handmade accessories. Create and sell handmade jewelry, customized keychains, and beaded bags. These items are trendy and don't require much capital to start. Household essentials reselling. Buy everyday items like detergent, soaps, and tissue in bulk and resell them in your hostel at a slight markup. And there you have it, 20 business ideas for Nigerian students. The key to success is starting small, being consistent, and promoting your business. Well, let me know in the comments which idea you like the most. Don't forget to